Hi, I have in my hand here a satellite wall plate. Basically, this is an F-type connector wall plate, and what it's used for really is to allow you to have a very neat finish if you're running down, let's say, something like a satellite cable for a skybox or a free-to-air box, and you want to have it terminating in a faceplate. So what we'd have here is we'd have an F-type connector, which would screw off of this, and on the back of the plate here, if I just rotate it around, what we'd have is the feed coming directly from our satellite dish would simply come in here. I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how this would work. I've just used the following things. I've just used this flathead screwdriver here just to open up this satellite clamp mechanism here. So what I do is I just slide this through. Quickly demonstrate it here. And what we would do is we would get the copper core wire here, we wrap it here, I would tighten this screw here to lock it into position, and then I would make sure that the outside earth wires are pushed in here, and once again I'd screw this down tight, I'd lock the cable in, so now we have a secure feed coming from the satellite, and what we're able to do here is we just come along at that point, and we would just use these screws to screw this onto the back plate on your wall. And it actually comes very neatly. There's a little pack inside with these two screws, and there's also these two plastic covers here. So if you can imagine the screw pushed in there and screwed into position, we also just have these little caps, and they just push in here and they give a really, really neat little finish. So it's quite a nice little product. So that's it anyway. And it's part of a wider range of faceplates. So we have other ones that do coaxial and satellite, coaxial satellite and radio and things like this. So these are a really, really neat solution and just fits very nicely with the overall range of satellite products and electrical products, etc. that we have on freetv.ie.